Hey guys, let's talk about the Kasa spot pan and tilt camera Alexa setup. As you can see, I have the camera and I have the Echo Show, so you can ask Alexa, show dining room camera.
Okay.
As you can see, it's going to show the tip link camera and it's pretty fast, works pretty well, right? So Alexa, go home. Okay guys, so it's pretty simple, right? See, that's working, and basically here I need to use my cell phone to set up this. Let me just show here how it basically works. There we go, here with my cell phone. As long as I have the camera working here on my Kasa app, it's going to connect with Alexa as long as I have also the skill set, right? Just mute Alexa here so it doesn't respond to the command when I talk about her, right? And move it from here a little bit. There we go. Okay. So here I have the app with the camera working. Then what I have to do is come and bring the Alexa app and enable skills. Okay. So when I come here, you see skills and games. That's the one. And I'm gonna look for Kasa. I'll just type here Kasa. There we go. And that's the one, TP link Kasa. Okay. And you see that enable here. If I just click here and disable the skill here, now it's no longer connected to Alexa. Okay. So when you get it for the first time, what you have to do is just come here, open the app. Let me just start fresh. Open the app. Then you come here to this menu, look for skills and games, and then Kasa. Oops, there we go. Kasa. TP link Kasa. And then you're gonna enable to use. When you do this for the first time, it's going to connect to your account. Okay, so it's linking to my account here. Then you just need to agree and link. And if you're not linked yet with the password, it's going to ask for your password to link to your Kasa account or Tapo account, TP-Link account. They're all the same, right? So I agree, link the account, and I'm good to go. So just hit here next. Then Alexa is going to look for the devices to connect to. Every time I say the name, it just keeps answering, right? And it couldn't find anything here because I already have the camera added to the list, right? When you do this for the first time, you're gonna see the camera there. In my case, I have dining room. It's already connected, so it doesn't connect again because already it's there, right? So pretty simple like this. And I can just close the app here. Just have the Kasa app and it's good to go, okay? So that's the way you can set up Kasa spot pan and tilt camera with Alexa, right? I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.